Yo, today I'm gonna show you how to make a start screen in Unity, so let's get to it. So I just created a basic scene here. Yeah, that's a cube and a background. So what you wanna do, go to UI, then panel, just name that nothing. Just use your imagination. Imagine that's name start. So what you wanna do on the panel, go to button text mesh pro and create that. When you do it, it will make you download some things. Do that. So what we want to do on the button, we want to disable the button and go to scale the box of the button up though, so like that. And then what we can do, go to the actual text of it. And why we use TextMesh Pro, as you can see, TextMesh Pro, the font resolution is a lot better than normal text, and you can make a gradient. I will show you what a gradient is now. So yeah, this is a gradient. On the first color here, make whatever you want. I made a blue. Then on the second color, click this little pen icon thingy, and then go to this first color. It will do the exact color here. So then go to the third one, say dark blue or whatever, and then click on the pen and do that. Yeah, and as you can see, it's not showing. You just have to do this and it shows. And then we just have to, on the actual button, I mean on the text, we have to say start. And then there we go. So yeah. Oh, whoops, I was dragging the text, not the button there, sorry. Um, just drag the button up a bit, and then what you want to do, just duplicate the button, and then for the sake of the video, I'm not gonna make a gradient for this button for this text, I mean. So go to text, I'm just gonna make it red, and then you wanna disable this gradient thing, and then don't make it start, say UIT quit, and I made it in all caps for some reason. Then go to the panel, then add component and name it start script 1, and then new script. There was already a start script. I tried to do this earlier, so yeah. Let's just open it up again in Visual Studios because it didn't, it decided not to work for some reason. Visual Studios is weird sometimes. And then we need to define some variables, actually one variable, so public game object, start screen. Unity just knew what I was writing already. So first what you can do, delete the update because no one needs that. And then in the start say time dot time because we want to freeze time. So time dot time scale equals and then equals um 0 and then give that a semicolon. So then we don't want it to time to be frozen forever though. So public void, we're gonna create our own function, public void, and then name this start, and then give it some brackets and curly brackets there, and then enter. So what you want to say is time dot time scale, and then equals, and then we want to reverse. So 1, when we click start, we'll call that function, and then what we want to say, not public, sorry, start screen, dot, and then start screen dot set active, and then that's basically does in the game set active, makes it so if you can see the game object, true you can, false you can't, so we don't want to see it when we press play, so false. And then we gonna make the let's sure Unity, let's just call it stop. We gonna make the quit method, so it's actually really easy. All we gotta do is say application dot quit. So this won't work in game, but that won't work on Unity itself, but once you release it as a game it will. So what you wanna do, so we know the button's working, debug debug there, debug dot log and then what you can do, say brackets and then quotation marks. So this will display a text in the console. Let's just say hi and then semicolon, and then we done. So hit save. Save is up here, and then just minimize this. Okay, actually we can just scale up, it doesn't matter. So on our panel where we added the script, drag the panel into the game object for the start screen, so it can recognize what we gonna disable. So that's done. Then by button, there's this cool feature on click. So on click and then drag the panel onto there, and then so start screen 1, and then we're gonna say stop, and then button 2, start screen 1, drag it in, and then start screen, and then stop. So once we do that, let's try the quarter method first. So if we press that, as we can see in the console, it says hi, so the button is working. And if we click a start button, the game starts, time unfreezes, we can move around and everything. Yeah. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and